Hey everybody, Jeff from investmentmob.com, just checking in, making sure everybody's all right. My last video on AMC, wow, I really ruffled a few feathers. People were attacking me in the comment section like I've never been attacked before. By the way, how'd that AMC trade work out for you guys? That called me a boomer and I don't know what I'm talking about, and AMC all the way, AMC to the moon. Okay, well, you would have lost 3 times your money if you stayed in it. But that's besides the point. I'm talking about today's video as just a reminder. My last blog that I put out last week was talking about money leaving the Nasdaq and going into the Dow, and we saw it again today. Dow was up, Nasdaq was down. Nasdaq pulled the whole market down. Tesla pulled that whole market down yesterday. That's a whole nother story. But anyway, great time to be a day trader, because you're taking advantage of the market swings, right? So what did you trade today? I traded NVIDIA with some sort of success. I didn't make as much as I wanted to or could have, but I made money. A positive day is a positive day. Anyway, what did you trade today? Were you doing Tesla? Were you doing NVIDIA? Were you doing AMC? Because this boomer sure as hell wasn't. Let me know in the comments. Go check out my article on investmentmob.com where I talk about money leaving the Nasdaq and going into the Dow. Let me know what you think. Thanks everybody for always leaving such positive comments down below, and I'll see you soon. Jeff from Investment Mob signing off.